Hey guys, welcome to Itza Nails. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few items that I got for Cyber Monday. So stay tuned so I can share with you all my nail goodies that I got. So I'm going to share these items. I didn't get too many stuff and I didn't go crazy. I just shopped for some essential things at SoCal Nails. So let me just get started so that I don't drag on this video. So the first thing that I got was this. I've been wanting to do some chrome nails or some, yeah, is that what this is called? The chrome powder, the iridescent, whatever it's called. Anyways, so it's usually, you guys know how usually it's expensive, and this, I think this was for like $5. I don't remember. I couldn't find my receipt. So it comes with the standard little sponge and then this thing that took me forever to open it. So I'm glad I did it off camera. However, see, it's taking me a long time to open it now. Maybe it's because of the nails that I have on and I can't. So bear with me. Okay, so there. However, I was a bit disappointed because although it was only for, I think, $5 for Cyber Monday, I think $5 or $8. I don't remember. I was very disappointed, and I'll show you why. Let me uncover it. And this is why. Because, I mean, this, first of all, it's not even full. And then the amount of product that you get is very minimal. I mean, like, look at it. This is just like whatever is like lo que te queda embarrado en el frasco, basically. Sorry if you guys don't speak Spanish, but that was the best way I could explain it. Like, the amount of powder that you get is very minimal, and it's just like wrapped like in this little corner right here. And I just think that paying $5 or $8, I don't even remember what it was a little too steep. But hopefully a little goes a long way, I'm hoping. We'll see about that. So the other stuff that I got is a bunch of little dried flowers. I love using these in nails. I think this just gives it a complete different look, and I love it. So I got different of these purpley lilac-y ones I love. And then I also got these right here. Oh, I love this color. I cannot wait. And I got these right here. And I love because they're so different from the typical dry flowers that you can get on Amazon or the like AliExpress or whatever. These are so pretty. And you get like 12 in each packet. And I think it was like 80 cents. I can't remember. I think it was 80 cents per each packet. But look at these colors. They're so pretty. I love it. Oh, there's two different packets here. I'm sorry. There's these right here. And then there's these. And I used them in one of my sets. I don't remember if I recorded a video, but I think there's pictures on my Instagram. And they're so durable. Like, they're not that delicate like the other flowers. They're a little bit more sturdier. But yeah, look at these right there. And then these. Oh, I wish I would have had these when I did these nails that I have on, because I feel like they kind of go with this right here. See? Anyways, so those are the dried flowers. Okay, let me explain a little bit. So these nails, because it applies to what I'm going to show you right now. These nails, this set, I've had for over a month. I would say almost 2 months. And I'm talking about the actual like nail, the tip. The design, I've had it for over 2 weeks. But the tip, the actual tip glued on to my nails, almost 2 months. So every single time, and this is my second like design or refill on the same tip. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Anyways, so before, whenever I would glue my tip, first of all, it would take forever for the tip to glue on, and then it would pop off sometimes real easily. And then by the time I do my refill, sometimes as I'm refilling or whatever, the nail tip would pop off, or it would break, or whatever, for some reason, like right at the where I tip the nail, where I glue the nail, sorry. And I would be so mad. And so then I've been hearing so much stuff. Oh, and what I'd be using is like different types of glues, mostly like the little tubes that you can just get in Amazon, or different brush on glues from different brands. Anyways, So this next thing I'm going to show you is I used these. I ordered one tube previously from an order that I did before this Cyber Monday one. I ordered one and I loved it so much that this time I ordered myself 5 tubes. Oh, I love it. I mean, look, my nails, like I said, they haven't fallen. They haven't lifted, because you know how sometimes even like after wearing them for such a long time, your natural nail kind of like lifts from your tip, from your enhancement. Well, not these. Like I clean, I scrub, I do everything and anything, and these haven't lifted. Like I love this glue. Seriously, this is one of my favorite items that I've discovered. So I definitely recommend this. And I think these will last me a long, long time because I don't really do nails for anybody else except for me. So I know these are going to go a long, long way. So these I definitely recommend. And it's the KDS glue. Acrylic colors. Okay, so now we're just going to see acrylic colors. Like I mentioned before, I ordered previously acrylic colors from Ladybug Nails, and I love their acrylics. Their acrylic powders are beautiful. Their colors are easy to work with. They work great with any monomer, really. I've used them with organic, Mia Secret, with Nail Light. I've used them with any monomer and they all work. They blend perfectly. Like this color right here is also from this brand. And I did a swatch video, I believe, but it's in Spanish if you guys want to go see those. But this one, I only got a small one because I wanted to see the color. It's called Lady Nude. But like I said, if you guys are interested and want to see swatches, just let me know. Got a big one of Lady Petal. So it is different than Lady Nude. And even though they kind of look similar on the video, they are not. So like I said, this is Lady Petal. This is one that I already owned because I do have several of their acrylics. So this is one of their first collections that I had. It came in a set, and this is Lady Petal in a small, and I loved it. So I ordered myself a large. And then I also got a cover peach because I like this one too. But there's that color. And once again, I can definitely do swatches. Just let me know in the comments below. So these are the 2 ounce, and I got one of each of these because these are colors that are great as a full color nail or to do ombre nails or whatnot. So these are must have. So that's why I got 2 big ones. And then last but not least, I got this little collection. I have 2 other collections from this company or from this brand. If you guys want to see what the other collections look like, let me know in the comments, like I said, and I'll swatch those. Or if you want me to swatch these, just let me know and I'll do it. This one, pastel blue. Oh my gosh, these are going to be perfect for spring. Look at that blue. Actually, this one, kind of want to do like a winter nail, and I think this one will be perfect for it. I don't know. What do you guys think? And help me pick out my next set of nails because I'm not sure. This one's pastel peach. Oh my gosh, it is. It's very peachy. Oh. And I'm sorry if the light is washing it out, because you know how the lights always wash out colors sometimes, but it's very pretty in person. This one is a pastel yellow. Oh, it's so cute. It's like those marshmallow peeps. And then this one right here is the pastel green, and these come in different sizes as well, but this one is the 0.25 ounce. Beautiful color. The collections like these come in the 0.25 ounce. I believe it was $18 for all of these, and I do believe they have like a variety of sizes. They have from this to this and even a bigger tub, and so many colors to pick from. And then this one is pastel violet. I love this color. I love this color. For some reason, like this color and the blue one kind of give me like winter vibes. So I don't know. I kind of want to do something wintry. And then this one is pastel pink. It's probably being very washed out by the light. But let me know if you guys want to see the swatches, and I am more than happy to swatch them for you. But yeah, this concludes my tiny haul. Let me know, like I said, what video you want to see next, what set you want me to do with using what colors, what decoration and whatnot. And then if you have a recommendation for a chrome powder, please let me know. Also, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any videos. But anyways, thanks guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, hit that bell so that you get a notification every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much, guys. See ya.